Hi everyone, I hope your week has been filled with blissful blessings. Today, I'm so excited to show you how I have decorated and turned our office room into my very own beauty room. When we did the makeover for this room, we wanted to make sure we design it to make it functional and versatile to suit our needs in any way we please. And we weren't using the office as often as we thought we would. So we have decided to make use of this room and made it into a beauty room for the moment. This is also special to me as I challenged myself in playing gold decorations and furnitures in a room for the very first time. I added some touches of silver with this room. As many of you know, I'm a lover of silver, gray, and white decor. Please comment below and let me know what you guys think. How did I do? Is gold my color or should I stick with my love for silver, gray, and white theme? I'd love to know what you guys think. We have had this acrylic bench for years now, and since we have bought it, I have covered the seat with this white fur to match with our decor theme, and we are finally going to permanently put a touch of glam on it by reupholstering this bench with this leather-like material pearl white from Hobby Lobby. I will provide the link below for all the materials used for this DIY. With this video, I have partnered with my friends from Homary. Homary is an international online home improvement and decor platform connecting millions of people with worldwide recognized top manufacturers. They are committed to providing the most exquisite home products in the best quality and the most diversified ranges at affordable prices. Their luxury decorations and furnitures can be shipped to 36 countries and regions. As some of my glam family from the UK have expressed that it is hard for them to find beautiful glam furnitures and decorations in the UK. I am so thrilled to let you know that they can ship to the UK. They have thousands of beautiful and modern decorations and furnitures and home products to choose from, like this beautiful gold vanity set that they have sent me. Homary has provided my glam family or anyone who is interested in buying from them with a 7% discount throughout the whole US and UK. I will provide in the description box below all the information you need if you are interested in buying this vanity set or any product from Homary. That being said, now let us move forward in our video in creating this beauty room. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and obtained tons of ideas and inspirations in turning any of your room to your own beauty room oasis in shades of beautiful gold. If you have not subscribed yet, I hope today you consider doing so. I'd love and welcome you into the Glam family. With this channel, I share my passion in glam decorating, room makeovers, home renovations, DIYs, clean with me, and many more. To all my Glam family who has always been with me and has always been so kind and supportive, I sincerely appreciate you all. Again, thanks for being here. Have an amazing rest of the week, and I hope to see you all on the next video. God bless you all abundantly. Bye!